This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy VPN application here to use. So down here you have the server section. You can tap on this option here to pretty much go ahead and select your free servers which you would like to use. I do recommend using the auto select feature, which select the best server for you. So as you can see, you can scroll and pretty much find whichever server that you want to use. As you can see, quite a lot of servers to choose from, and you pretty much just select your server. So I'm going to select United States, or I can select the auto select option. So once I've selected this server, or you've selected the server that you want to use, then pretty much go ahead and tap on the play option here, or the play button will ask for connection request. Once I've done that, it will pretty much start connecting the connection. So that's pretty much how simple it is to connect to this VPN here. And do keep in mind, I'm using free servers, and it's really great. Not gonna lie, imagine the premium server is gonna even be better. So if I do go back in the server section here, you have the premium option. This is pretty much where you go to get your premium servers. So once you do get your subscription, you'll be able to access these premium servers, which are very, very good. As well, you can tap on the Go Premium option down here to go ahead and get your premium subscription. So, or you can tap on the star icon at the top here to pretty much go ahead and get your premium subscription as well. So as you can see here, they do offer a 3 days free trial. After the 3 days free trial is finished, you'll be able to get your subscription or purchase your subscription. So you will pretty much start paying for your subscription. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much. You don't have any timer or anything like that. Very simple and straightforward to use. And if I miss anything at all in this video, please comment below. Glad enough to help you out. See you guys in the next one.